Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to do the Cash App giveaway that I promised. It is April 30th. It is the last day of the month. So I'm going to be picking 3 different winners to win some cash through Cash App. Now I'm going to pick randomly through the comments with this software. I'm going to pick 3 different videos that I uploaded, and the software is going to randomly select someone from the comments who has commented their Cash App username. So the first person is going to get $100, the second person is going to get $50, and then the third person is going to also get $50 as well. So if you want to be a part of this channel, learn a lot of information about personal credit, business credit, as well as business grants, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. I think I'm going to start doing these giveaways a lot more often. So I'm going to do another giveaway in May, and most likely I'm going to give away more money than what I'm giving away in April. So make sure that you are subscribed, and also go ahead and comment down below your Cash App username down below in the comment section right now. And we're going to go ahead and get started. This is only going to be like a 2 to 3 minute video. All right, so I'm going to pick this video here, this last video that I did. This is going to be the first video that I'm going to pick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the video and I'm going to get the actual URL. And then I'm going to go to commentpicker.com. So this website actually helps do giveaways and promotions and sweepstakes or whatever on YouTube channels. So they randomly pick through the comments and pick users for you. So it's fair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post, or actually paste, the YouTube link for that video. And then I am going to select filter comments based on specific text. And I'm going to put the $sign, because all Cash App usernames have the $sign in front. And to make it fair, we're going to filter duplicate users, so people who have commented their Cash App multiple times on the same video. And then we're going to click on Get YouTube Comments. So it is 154 comments with the Cash App username from that video. And then I'm going to scroll down here where it says Start Raffle and pick Random Winner. So as you can see right there, it's picking through the comments. And, ooh, this is a good one right here. So Marvelyn Gibbon said, "You are God sent. I truly appreciate you taking the time to explain to us entrepreneurs how to use business credit with no personal guarantee and no personal credit to purchase vehicles using our business. I'm currently building credit for my new business, and the information given, I already feel successful. Thanks a million." So she's the first winner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy his or her. Sorry if you're a guy and I'm saying her. So I'm going to copy their Cash App username, and I'm going to go over to Cash App. Just a FYI, my transactions will be blurred out, so you guys are not all up in my business on who I send money to, because it has their actual first and last names on there. So, but anyways, gonna click on New, and then we're gonna put in their Cash App username, and then, oh, there we go. And I'm gonna put, let's see, CEO Shayla Marty giveaway, and then I'm gonna put $100, and I'm gonna click Pay. Okay, so it's making me do it with my mobile device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it on my phone, and then I'm going to show you guys the transaction. All right, so boom, there we go. She has her money. Now we're going to pick someone else. We're going to use a different video. I'm going to go back to the YouTube channel, and I'm going to pick this video right here. No credit check is going to boost your score up. And I'm going to get the link, copy. We're going to do the same thing. Take this link out and put the other person or the other link. And we're pretty much going to do the same thing. Filter duplicate users and filter only the comments with the Cash App username. and then click on get comments. 117 comments, and then we're going to click on start raffle and pick random winner. So here we go, is sorting through again. All right, we got Sparktown Music Group LLC. So that's the second winner. I'm gonna get their Cash App, and I'm gonna try to do this again on the computer. If not, I'm gonna have to do it on my phone. All right, Jaleel Campfield. So you are the second winner for $50. CEO to Shayla. YouTube giveaway. Click on pay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this one and the last one on my phone, but I'm going to show you guys that I actually sent it to him. So just a second. Okay, I just sent his, so I'm gonna refresh. All right, so he received his money. Now we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna pick one more video. Let me see if I uploaded this one in April. 3 months. I think this may have been the first one. Okay, I'm not sure. Let me see if, because sometimes YouTube hides the Cash App. So let's just see. Okay, so I pasted that link in, and I'm gonna click get YouTube comments, and it's about 45. Yeah, so I did start it on that video. So that was the first video. Okay. All right, the last winner is Blessed Queen. So you are the last winner, the third winner for the $50. Let me go ahead and send that to you on my phone. Okay, so her username was Diamond T33. Let me go back to Cash App on the computer. Let me refresh this, and let's see. Yes, she received hers. So we got all 3 of the Cash App giveaway winners. They received their money for the giveaway for the month of April. I'm going to be doing more of these giveaways, so make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you are commenting on these videos with your Cash App username. You can only comment with your Cash App username 1 time, just to make it fair for everybody else, 1 time per video. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.